session, we will look into filled area primitives. So what is filled area primitive? What is used for? Filling a solid with a color, that solid might be an image or a polygon, is called as filled area primitive. Filling this polygon means actually highlight pixel with different colors. Before going into filling the polygon, you should know what a polygon is. Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments on any 2D plane. The word poly means many, dots means sides. So polygon is a closed shape having many sides. So the best examples are square, triangle, rectangle. There are different types of polygon. One is regular polygon and the other one is irregular polygon. So what is a regular polygon? If polygon is having equal sides and equal angle, is what is equilateral and equiangular, then such a polygon is called as a regular polygon. And irregular polygon means any other polygon which is other than the regular polygon will be called as irregular. So to give a clear picture, here is an image. So this regular polygons have equal sides, equal angles. Here also equal sides, equal angles, equal sides, equal angles. Here the sides and the angles are not equal. So any polygon with equal sides and equal angle are called as regular, and other than that others are called as irregular. There are two more different polygons called convex polygon and concave polygon. So what is convex polygon? If the line segment between 2 points on the boundary does not go outside, then we call it as convex. Else, if all the interior angles are less than 180 degree, then it is convex. On the other hand, if there is at least one reflex interior angle or one or more exterior angles which are more than 180 degree, then it is called as concave polygon. So you get a clear picture when you have a look into this. So coming to this convex, all 2 points on boundary, if you add the interior angles of the polygon, then it is not less than 180, not adding any interior angle. But in case of concave, take for example this angle. This is more than 180 degree. So such a polygon is called as concave. So there are various approaches of filling a polygon. One is by using scanline fill algorithm and other is by using seed filling algorithm. So what is the scanline filling? This method is used to fill an area to determine the overlap intervals for scan lines that cross an area. So this is normally used in graphics packages to fill any polygon, circle, ellipse or other simple curves. Whereas in seed filling algorithm, you will start from a single interior position and you will be painting outwards from that point until we encounter the boundaries. So we will see in depth about this scanline filling and seed filling. There are two seed filling algorithm. One is boundary fill, other one is flood fill algorithm. So in scanline polygon filling algorithm, it is actually an area filling algorithm that fill the colors by scanning horizontal lines. So we will be drawing horizontal lines, identify the pixels which are inside the polygon, and then if they are inside the polygon, we will give them a solid color. So by drawing lines, we will identify the area to be filled. That is why it is called as scan line polygon fill algorithm. So while drawing the lines, it might intersect the boundaries of the polygon. So we will be finding out the intersection points and fill the colors. its main purpose is to fill the colors in the interior pixels of the polygon. We are not going to fill the polygons outside, but only the interior pixels of the polygons will be identified. They will be filled. So like this, we will be drawing a scan line. So this is a polygon. We will draw a scan line. We will identify the pixels. So all the highlighted one are the pixels identified, and these are all the pixels identified. Once these pixels are identified, we will be filling the colors because these pixels are within the boundary of the polygon. So only the interior pixels are identified and then they are filled with solid colors. So here are the steps which we follow. With all edges of the polygon, we will try to find the intersections of the scan line. From left to right in an increasing x coordinate, we will sort the intersections. We will make pair of intersection and then fill in the color within the pixels inside the pair. And here comes a special case of polygon vertex. If both the lines intersecting at the vertex, not on the side of the polygon, if both the lines intersect at the vertex and if they are on the same side of the scan line, then we will consider it as 2 points and not as 1 point. On the other hand, if the lines intersecting at the vertex are at the opposite sides of the scan line, then we will consider it as a single point. So you will get to know this very clearly if we solve it with an example, which we will be seeing in the near future. So to identify whether pixel lies within the boundary of the polygon or outside the boundary of the polygon, we need to perform a test called inside-outside test. So what is this inside-outside test? When filling the polygon, we should decide whether a particular point or pixel is interior or exterior to a polygon. So if and only if the point is interior, then that will be highlighted with a color. If it is going to be exterior, we are not going to fill it. So for that, we will be using an odd even rule. The rule is called as odd parity or odd even rule, and it is applied to test whether a point is interior or exterior. To apply this rule, we conceptually draw a line starting from any position P to a distant point outside the coordinate x of the object. We will count the number of edges crossing the line. Number of polygon edges crossed by the line